Hi foodies, I'm gonna make a super quick dressing for you guys. It's similar to my Purple Power Crunch salad dressing, but I don't have all the ingredients for that dressing, so I'm just going to be ad-libbing here. So I have soaked about a cup's worth of dates that are pitted, and I've soaked them in hot water. You can also soak them in the vinegar itself. I'm going to be making this today. Normally I would make it with champagne vinegar. My Purple Power Crunch dressing is what I'm making right now. And I don't have this champagne vinegar. You can use any type of apple cider vinegar or a champagne type vinegar, a shallot vinegar, something like that. Not regular vinegar. You don't want to use regular vinegar, but you could use a Bragg's apple cider vinegar. I found this one at the store here. It's a cranberry apple. I've also found a citrus one from Bragg's, but this one will complement it really well. You could soak your cup of dates in 1 cup of the vinegar, and you can let them soak. And you can even put this in the microwave and heat the vinegar up and then put the dates in. But I just had it soaking for a while I was doing my other cooking. So I'm going to just be quickly making it because I am going to leave it made, and I'm not even going to use it anytime soon. I'm going to use it on Christmas Eve for a Purple Power Crunch salad that I'm going to be making with cruciferous veggies. I'm going to put purple cabbage in it, and I'm going to put pomegranates, parsley, and we're also going to put apples in it, and maybe some English cucumbers. I haven't gotten the cucumbers yet, but so far my salad is going to be very colorful, and the pomegranates are going to give it an extra crunch too. So all you do is you take 2 large shallots, and you're going to do 1 cup of the vinegar, 1 cup of the apple cider vinegar or the champagne vinegar. Oh, I'm going to start crying here in a minute. You're going to soak your dates in that vinegar, and then you're going to cut 2 large shallots, and I did 1 cup of the vinegar, 1 cup of the dates, and the dates have been pitted. The pits are out off of them, and you can just use any type of dates, medjool dates, or my favorite dates are called kalas and the sukari grapes. Whew, I am crying. All right, so, and if I do need a little bit more liquid in here, I will put some more in, but I'm going to see how it goes. This dressing gets even better as it ages. Woo! Those shallots are making me cry. I was cooking shallots earlier for making caramelized shallots, and when Jay came in, he started crying immediately because it was in the air, I guess. So I'm going to put my lid on my little Ninja. I travel with my little travel Ninja. I brought it in my suitcase, and I'm so thankful that I did. And then just stop and give it a shake. I'm thankful that I brought it because they didn't even have a blender here. So this is a super creamy dressing. Okay, I'm going to stop it and I'm going to taste it. It's a very creamy dressing because of the dates. It comes out super creamy. And as you let it sit, look at that. Look how creamy that is. As you let it sit, and it will keep for 2 weeks or so. It will keep. So let me taste it. I think it's perfect just like that. If you have a champagne vinegar, it'll give it a fizziness too. So that might be good for it. If you needed, so I soaked my dates in just regular water, but you could soak them in the vinegar itself. And you could do, what I do for my Purple Power dressing is that I take the dates, the shallots, and the vinegar, and I let the dates, the vinegar, and the shallots soak overnight in the refrigerator. And then the next morning, I buzz it, and all the flavors come together. But I didn't do it this time, so you don't have to do it. I'm still choking from the shallots. But it is going to be a better flavor if you do let it soak. That is it. That's all that it is. It's those 3 ingredients. Taste it again. There's the 2 things. You just want to make sure and blend it really, really well because you want it smooth. So I'm just going to taste it again and make sure you don't want it too tart. So it's almost an equal ratio. That's perfect. Okay, so that's it. 3 ingredients. The Bragg's, any flavor of Bragg's that you want. This is a cranberry apple, and then the dates, and 1 cup of the dates, and then the cider vinegar, and then 2 shallots. You can put more shallots in it if you want. You can put 4 shallots into it. My regular recipe is 4 shallots, but I'm saving 2 of my shallots for the salad so that I have actual shallots in the salad to add crunch to the salad. That's the other ingredient that I'm going to put in the salad. It's going to be purple cabbage, apples, pomegranate. It's going to have the sliced shallots, and it's going to have sliced parsley. So that green and that purple and the pomegranates is going to be a very colorful, crunchy salad, and this sweet dressing that I'm going to toss with it. So now my dressing is ready. Okay, bye.